Blocks in AI Connect. Different blocks are used from block palette and stacked together to make different designs. Some blocks of AI Connect are given here. Make turtle wide 2. It is used to make thin or thick lines by entering width in the provided space. Make turtle color. It is used to fill any selected color in a closed shape. Set background color. It is used to fill the backdrop with a selected color. Make turtle pen up. By using this block, turtle no longer draws as it moves. Make turtle pen down. By using this block, turtle starts drawing wherever it moves. Set turtle position 2. By using this block, turtle can be moved anywhere on the console window from 0, 0, which is an epicenter. Positive and negative x values will move the turtle function left and right along the x-axis respectively, whereas in the case of y value, it will move up and down along the y-axis. Set turtle shape in. By using this block, shape of the turtle can be changed to triangle, circle, square and normal. Make turtle move forward by. It makes turtle move forward by any value on the x-axis. Make turtle move backward by. It makes turtle move backward on any value on the x-axis.